Hello my dearest, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are baking something that holds its special place in my heart: scones. The last time I had scones was back in high school, and making them now brings back a flood of cherished memories. To make scones, we will need some flour, some milk, some butter, some eggs, some baking powder, and sugar. First, we add the butter to the flour and then mix it together to form like breadcrumbs. After which, we add our sugar, our baking powder, and mix everything together thoroughly. We go in with our eggs. We mix it properly together until it is uniform, and then we add some milk gradually until we get a soft dough. High school was a time of discovery, friendships, and countless experiences that shaped who I am today. One of my fondest memories was the first time I tasted scone in our school cafeteria. They were warm, hard on the outside but soft on the inside. I haven't had scones since I left high school, but today I'm so excited to recreate that nostalgic treat. We gently rolled out the dough, being careful not to overwork it. And then we cut out our scones. Each one is like a little piece of the past, ready to be baked into golden perfection. As a final touch, we add some egg wash only to the surface of the dough and not to the sides, in order not to prevent the swelling. And then in the oven they go. And here they are, our fresh from the oven scones. The first bite is always the best, especially when it's slathered with butter and jam. I'm going to taste this, and I hope it tastes just as I remembered: warm, flaky, and utterly delicious. Thank you for joining me on this nostalgic baking journey. See you in my next video.